From Divine Sister of the Light Octavia Vasila. The Keepers of Time, 12th Dimensional Blue Avians, Restoring Destiny. We are here to invite you to look through the veils of time. There are timekeepers among you as well, and you might start remembering the different worlds you experience simultaneously. This is a great time for you all. It has happened before that humanity has awakened to its multidimensionality and started to travel between realities, exploring the quantum field. Although it happened not so long ago, the timelines were shifted so that you, human beings, did not benefit. Timelines were manipulated not for the good of all, but for the benefit of the few who consider themselves to be the elite, the keepers of the secrets. Not so long ago, your history was changed and replaced with stories serving this new reality. Books, ancient manuscripts, and other documents that attested to the truth were hidden, though many still exist on Earth. Your entire planet has been a universal gateway for a very long time, and is destined to take back its place in the universe. Now you will restore your destiny and rediscover who you truly are and what level of development you achieved. Many of you will remember and step forward. Maybe you are already feeling it, and in this case, dare to look for the truth. Once the truth is revealed, your DNA will be reactivated. This is not a message of war, it is one of truth and commitment to your real journey. The information has to be disclosed. The truth will once again be revealed for the timeline to be restored to its original vibration. Ask for the old manuscripts to be made public. Have the courage to at least think about a greater history than you can even imagine. Start searching within, and the outside will reflect it. We will be here to guide you on how to access the hidden information. If you resonate with our message, simply affirm yes, and we will connect with you. We never left you, but now we are closer than ever. We have a commitment toward Earth, and you have one toward your species. Do not lose hope, but trust and step forward, because there are memories not only of a past, but of a future that lives within you. And it is as alive as this life. Be the keeper of the truth, and remember that you are never left alone. From holographicu.com.